Meganata 20 ways you can local Zanaba Meganata say hey Rock Menaga People's Organization RNPO ruai Jalangrong United Front akhatni NSCN IM kanai khang hipat metuang letterhead ta hekom na pada olopani hekom na hilawe the Rock Menaga People's Organization on behalf of the Rock general public appeals all the Naga revolutionary groups including NSCN IM and Jalangrong United Front to abstain violence in all Rockmai inhabited areas of Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, and elsewhere. It pertinent to note that Jalangrong Pui people, especially Jemai, Liangmai, Rockmai, and Inpui, have been preparing to pay their respect and honor to our martyr Hypo Jatonang, founder of Nagaraj, on his 94th Martyrdom Day on 29 August 2025. We also understand that both the revolutionary groups NSCN IM and ZUF had been preparing to honor the martyrdom of Hypo Jatonang on the same day. It is unfortunate that cadres belonging to NSCN IM and Jalangrong United Front had exchange of gunfight at Taldaijang Buandrong. However, it has been reported that there is no casualty on both sides and the public. Further, the RNPO urged for the group not to violate ceasefire and cessation of operation ground rules. Therefore, RNPO appeals both sides to restrain violence when the people have been eagerly waiting to pay honors to the founder of Nagaraj. Let us join hands in paying befitting honors to the martyrs of his 94th Martyrdom Day wherever one resides. Singam Lungka, my President, Assam Manipur Nagaland, Rock Menaga People's Organization. Kumai retiga mai tuang letterhead tahe kum na mai ko na ma ko pada olom itung the.